Listen, if anybody asks you, we was out smashing mailboxes, okay?
What?
Ah!
Oh, man, the paint's still wet!
No. Get out of the store. Hey, don't eat the radio. Here, take the snow tires.
Mater, I was in the kitchen. Then where did all these gold dirt treasures come from?
Hey guys, there's one going this way. I got it. Come here, little tractor. Come here. Yeah, that's a good tractor. No. Come here. What are you doing? You're not supposed to go wandering off all alone. What are you doing with those old racing tires?